Good morning, honorable members. Asigi business packet charge. Start question. Agenda number 1 questions. Start question number 494. Angbigadaba honorable member Sri K. Ranjit.
Start question number 494.
Ka Manipurda lam labor yonbagi register tawbada athingba labra. Kha athingba lairagadi maram thambiyu amasung ga lam labor yonbagi register tawba athingba thamkibana chawrakna state ki revenue kaya yamna mangre haina lawba yabage.
Pakum Bibigadaba honorable Chief Minister.
Good morning, Honorable Speaker, sir. Sir, question number 494. Answer. Kada Lay. Khada Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation 1873 has been extended to the state of Manipur by the adoption of law amendment order dated 11 December 2019. aduna masigi makha tar kadaba regulation is mapung phana sana hanaba rules and guidelines sembagi thabuk yam kana sathaba adugi loidibana maram oirkanda athing bagi wangda regulation sigi athing bagi wangda satnaba matam khragi oina thingba thambani ga laibi yonbagi register thingkhibana mamangi sahi 2019 ga yengnabada saurangna lupa crore 13 Makai muk mangle hani lobe.
I sir ahamba question da Honorable Chief Minister na thambiri ba khogi Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation 1873 chandarak pasi saroji khoi state ta chahi amarom sure ado hari ba masigi regulation sigi khogi rule and the guideline same basi masi loidribra fauba thing basi thamgane na haibi khre adum basi rule si sembada kayam kuina changani sima ikhaning sa hanadi sar masigi athing basi leirabanina khoi gi give deed registration haibatai adugumba thambasida khoi gi athing ba thamamde adu hujikti athing basi thamjan khre kaimba kanda machin manau mapa macha lamyena bada lanaga tawna badagi thingibra thingba ya adugumba yawdagi thingkhraja la haibasi ma khangning sa ILP haibasi sar khoi gi mitop changakpa regulate tawdanaba semkhiba adugumba posak amani aduna mitopta lam yondaba khotaba haiba masi khoi state sigi ILP na maram oraga madu chatnabani habaso I khangi adu masi chatnari ngai marak sida khoi yelhomi masen haibatai khoi state sida leijari ba khoi masen si leina yonaba adagi lokthok loksin yananabagi adugumba policy ma semba yaroidra si katang thambiu sa
Honorable Speaker, sir. Honorable member ki question si amna hoy maram chaba hang mayamna si am toina aikhoi de su hangai ada even masi kana gum kharna court of chalu ban ada sir usik luri se khoi ki se honorable member su concern utpi gri duni missing am jada ba pandagi kari dagi yam luri se khoi ki se de beziar ma identify tok thok si tawdri nei de sida leisan ma mina weraga su xyz ki maming de lamsi loksan ragadi ari bani harga adu mogi pose khoi si MLR ki pick khaba jaga khara sida ngairam nina masida de khoi gi oiba indigenous ki oiba population ki lamsi irei lerak tra bhai so khoi na ubada aduna masi I say suppose amsa khang daba adai changa ga se UP gi dagi yamna criminal nan phari dunia adu sadugum basi ari bani hairaga to gum aduna masi gi nan kaino da su khoi honorable member kisan na pocket pillar na se ju khana ga khoi house ki ju committee me semi adugi committee du na su yemi aduna yani ngi masi thuna roshal laga mayam da problem oiriba si oidena ba adugi yani ngi government gi concern di pikna leijaraba lamsi atopada mitopta chatkhidanaba eksigi matungina phajana koi kanbe aba kalonaba haibagi wakhanura tawjabani aduna inconvenient leiba khara aikhoisu madu biar kitang matam kitang kuiraroi kitang tawmina se aduna assembly ki su yani honorable speaker nahan committee do kitang thuna tawbiraga recommendation amdang ko government tawbiraga ko government madu ki sapsaba malorga thuna leiba yonba or give shisu family give word the ab ada aina kano kharda khogi jaga khara sum SDO adagi resa kai sum monitor to bukanda family na taba masin manau na taba imung manu na taba da gip wina tong na ko siyor pa adu da gip posi low ki bini adu bu tangai fada ba koi gi yam genuine no be posting du di subcommittee cabinet ki level la pukhala ga koi masi kari kari to ya ge exam to ga to ya bra ha bu yang jage adu ga husiki rules sima kitang thuna lotion na ba assembly gi soi honorable speaker na hai bi re kitang thuna to ga lotion ba to ge na I adu mai na thamjage sir thank you.
Next, start question number 495. Hangbigadova Honorable Member D. Karungthang.
Sir, start question number 495.
A. Number of barrack type teachers' quarters and new buildings constructed by Chandel ADC under 3rd State Finance Commission and 15th Finance Commission grants. B. List of the schools with name of locality for the above mentioned constructions. And C. Financial and physical status of the above mentioned.
Pakum Bibigadova Honorable Minister, Tribal Affairs.
Honorable Speaker, sir, answer to start question number 495. Number of barrack type teachers' quarter and new building constructed under Chandel ADC, 46 altogether in 2012 and 13-5, 2013-14 8, 14-15 13, 17-18 5, 18-19 5, 19-20 10, altogether 46. The construction of barrack type teachers' quarter is under ADC. The funding is SPA, Special Plan Fund Assistance and State Fund, but not under third State Finance Commissions and 15 Finance Commissions award. List is enclosed in Annexure A. A list of school in the new school building constructed under Chandel ADC is at Annexure B. And financial and physical status indicated in Annexure A and B is also enclosed. I think this information will be placed to the honorable MLAs.
Howzik problem la ibasina, khangning libasina. Masigi manungsida howzik papa loidaba in progress habsi 2014 and 15 asigi makhada loidaba lairi aduga barrack type building si mari si loidri haire aduga skill building sina hoji amma loidri haire si problem karegi no loidri bagi manam karegi no aduga lairiba out of 46 aduga sariba school building 7th asi inaugurate toraga department de handover tawkraba kaya loi khrabano adu kaya le hauribano tawbangam de maramna karino karama matamda masi si loisilaga masi department de handover tawbigadoribano masi matang khangjaninge.
Physical and financial progress is 80%. All those which is not completed, 80%. And it is about to finish as soon as the construction is over, we'll hand over for use to the concerned department.
Next, start question number 496. Hangbigadova Honorable Member Shri Surya Kumar Okram.
Sir, start question number 496.
A. The number of security personnel, insurgents and civilians that expired in insurgency-related violence conflict during the last 5 years. The year-wise and category-wise details.
Pakum Bibigadova Honorable Chief Minister.
Honorable Speaker, sir. Sir, question number 496. Answer A, as given below.
Mamangda Honorable members singnasu masi yamna toina pukhatpigiba haib tare sir. Sigi maramsi oiraga maram masi akhoi extremism adagi akhoi civilian expert over mamat tobo mayam singsi insurgency related violence conflict mayam si handhara abnina Armed Force Special Power Act si sir akhoi state sina if the state is serious, if the government is sincere and serious enough, akhoi masi state ki makhada su laibanina masi akhoi state tagi Armed Force Special Power Act si lokthok e haiduna government gi lokthok piba gi masi gi akhoi gi pandam laibibra laibidabra haibnu tang sir tang thambina bata thank you.
Honorable Speaker, sir. Honorable member na hangirakusi, the number of security personnel, insurgents, and the civilians that experienced in insurgency-related violence conflict during the last 5 years. The 2016 the police tara mathoi, extremist tara, civilian nipan. 2017 the police personnel tara, extremist tratruk, the civilian tratruk. 2018 the police tarit, extremist tarit, civilian mapan. The 2019 the police nil, extremist mapan, civilian 1. 20 the police ohum, the extremist ani, civilian 1. 2022 the nil. Government has a continuation. Thanks to the state, people of the state. Liberia punama ay thagale si mayam gi cooperation gi sigi situation si law and order gi normal si sila kuni. My state of the honorable member na hangiri Armed Forces Special Power ki si yes. Mujik wede ba situation si ga yengaga adum aikoi na super shuri to ujeri bani. Marak sidai na hansu question answer madai kumjagi bani. Suspension of operation si lairiba kangbu si fajana settle talk daba adagi NSN IMM di India government gi talk si settle fajana talk daba sugumba adagi border state ko oi basina khara reluctant oi badong to adubu oidai be phibam si gi mai lena kanda khoi gi kan khanaraga ai home minister su adasu pursue torga ai probably 26, 27 side I thought of I tell we cabinet to something. I am quite canaraga. I'm seriously pursued on one of the on again. I have said my things.
Start question number 497. Hangigadawa honorable member Shri N. Loken Singh.
Sir, start question number 497.
Ka nafsagi card holder oina cheng phangliba singna Aadhaar link tauramdragadi kaklagani haibasi chumbra amasung kha chumlagadi maram pibiu.
Wakum Bibigadawa honorable minister Kevin Pidi.
Speaker sir, start question number 497 gi pakhum ka da chummi adubu jina noiba Aadhaar le hokdaba beneficiary sing di kakloi kha da Government of India gi policy matung ina Roman number 1 da Aadhaar link tauribasi duplicate card amasung sajin naba Mio in the PDS ki polam engine low the nobany. Roman number 2 the one nation, one ration card, Janhan Bada Aadhaar link to Bani Yahalli.
Next start question number 498. Hangigadawa honorable member Shri K.S. Kisan Singh.
Sir, start question 498.
A. Whether all the funds allotted to Imphal Municipal Corporation were handed over to the Ward Development Committees, and B. If not, the reasons for not entrusting the funds works to Ward Development Committees.
Wakum Bibigadawa honorable minister Mahut.
Sir, question number 498. A. Fund allotted to Imphal Municipal Corporation were handed over to the Ward Development Committee in the ratio of 25% for ULB and the 75% for WDC as per the guideline of the state government. B. Question does not arise.
Sir, 25% sina urban local body da sinar habire sir. Urban local body da sinari ba thabak singsi kamaina execute tawge sir. Akogi IMC na hariba fund tender tawbra aduga wa order pira tawbra. Wa order pira gadi karamba could be the P. Aduga IMC gi oiba illicit contractor sing leibra kamaina P ge. Adagi sir 75% sina work development committee the PP habire. Work development committee is sir noi mangana sagadam ne gazette yaure sir. Adu targati hariba work se take up tawbada noi mangasina loina mana sign tawbra natraga corporator kadang sign tawga lotion bra. Haidi ward members sing se akoina sum pau pujaba akhoi su direct complaint lakpada moi gi sign je yaw de awdana paisa se loi kai thoga thabak se loin taw thoi information lei sai sarkari gumba guidelines gi wangda torom ta gadi gi taragadi thabak sing se kari ne lawgadage sarkar na kari action lahutgadage madam nang thambiu sa.
Honorable Speaker sir, hujiki 75/25 se as per rules norms to tawbani. Adu hujiki honorable member na pukhat piriba lairiba guideline dugi makha da moigi signature kari kari moigi knowledge jawgan pangpi da pi haibagi potu malai ramagadi adugumba niyom kaibadudi yaroi adudi na haiba hujiki member na kara hangbir ba details su ai hayim bagi manung member the details of report behind.
Next, question number 499. We get the honorable member Sri N. Loken Singh.
Sir, start question number 499.
Ka Napsagi Makada fair price soap ki agent oiriba singi marginal profit money tha kaya pithok tana leiribage. Ka pithok taba leiragadi karamba matamda pithok nabagi thaurang leibage amasung ga PMGKAY gi tha Nepal gi marginal profit money pithok tabagi maram pibiu.
Pakum Biri, the honorable minister Kevin Piri.
Speaker sir, start question number 499. Pakum kada fan laiba amasung claim taropagi matung ina pithok tabagi matam amadi mapam matam asi mapam gi oina kene kada fan laibagi changi matung ina February tha si manung da pithok na tharang tawjage gada Ministry the proposal thakre amasung fan heng la pa pithok na tawjage
Sidai the Maruana Kogi Kagi, the Honorable Minister, the Kumbiriba, Palabagi sang in Matung in February Ta, Sigmund, Pitok, about Torang, Tosi, how you Pal Amata Lay Tribra Lairaga di Pitok and another Kumbiba, the Rasmutan Kumbia.
Pithok na process tawjage.
Next, start question number 500. We get the honorable member Sri K. Ranjit Singh.
Sir, start question number 500.
Ka Manipur gi Jugo Valley amasung Tunjoida kaya yamna pak chawba lam Nagaland na khopchilakpage kha mafam ani asida Nagaland na kari kari infrastructure semgalakpa leibage amasung ga Nagaland na Manipur gi ngamkhai manungda dam ama sanaba thaurang tawre habisi chumbra.
Pakum Biri, the honorable chief minister.
Honorable Speaker sir, start question number 500. Answer. Kada Hopchin Belaite, Kada Mari Legate, Gada Sumdi.
Adu bitadi sar samlabna ina khagjaning isi lamgi chaye na bisi sar government sida charge tawjabna te matam sangna mamangdagi chahi kya gi mamangdagi lamji chaye na bna lakhrabani. The honorable leader of the house no sik thambiri ba answer sina takpadi masi matam pumbagi oina hari ba Zuko amasung tungjoigi Nagaland ga tainari balam singda mamangai dagi hono yenadana la ise basi matam pumbagi oina yenaba leira roi haidana khanbi bra yenadre haina loba yar bra simtang thambiu sa
Zuko da thoi bala se khopsal la paginate. Zuko si da changbasi hojiki ang saudan angami kangbu dugi moigi koimarum de changada bani natradi fani na phaba akhoi mi phaba even maugi masasing phaba under recently to lamsi encroach or kunata moigi somne changadam khoi de changba yaroi somdagi adubu haiba posi honorable speaker sir akhoi hujik ada barrack security barrack sare Khajeli and forest as Obama, subject to correction, mummings. Adugi forest, I am but my unum carrigas alone and a Lambi to where the Sanam, who's Lambi, Dr. Waiting, the Moigi, some of the Savana, Mirum, the power of the Lapoya Bagari, waiting a barricade car, other security full time. A hoist on the issue, Kananaba. Zuko, a question on the Gisang and Mananga, Moy the Gisang, the Yaro, Moy the Sunday, a question on the Gisang and Madu areas. Kan and never put Karigi, Mount Isho Hill, Mount Ishogi, the Kabayan and Sapikan of the prepared to gather, Secretary Tore, Saba, Berek, Amaloisha, Kupolore, Men Berek to Zikum and Navigadi. Maraksida, sensitive web issue, traditional boundary, Haidanamogi, Maroina. Southern Angamiga, Maugi in the Nausinda. Aduga Maram Gishukari, Maram Klini. I propose Hoigini, Moigini, Hoigini, Moinit on the Wikrele. But internationally, state boundary, the Nasib Haubuda, Moinum, a Hoigini, Moigini, Herculatory, a Koinasu, a Hoigi stain, Gomen Gam, a Kanbe stain, Dama, Naranahan, Moitinami, Haidana Committee, Mau, Hoirongi, Manipurgishi, one, a committee, Masimoy settled to Jagay, Haidana. And we get cohesive like another settlement duty, I know them, Tonazo Duka, a quiggy lady, state boundary. See the R19 state boundary, see the R19 can know the Gi 1800 Adai the Gi Matang British Kimatum, the Gi Tauraga boundaries recognized, even Nagaland state Voidring Assamgi. Assamgo told him at the Madu mapping lane, Kotabunina, state boundary city, the way are in Manunda, Sina, Kunmasin, Sinamanga, Amani, and the Yabangamoina, quick clear cut tongue, Sima, Zukogi Sima. Uzi Moigi, Maracasuni was set already Moina, again, a headache. And I assume Nazikaide, but the wood of our stand is very clear. I was saying a quick piggy. Second, was it Tungzoi Gise? Tungzoi Gisi, I'm queer of any. I'm queer of any. Hantak should have dog a morning of Toki, a quay Kanota. Ada was using deputy Kanoma, deputy commandant Mane, Zamandar, Ani Aduga MR Kunitoy, Aduga police key inspector Amane 10 Mitara Mane, Adagi Kogi 16 unarms, pull up a quay ada Tammy. Tarikuntrada Hoki Tarikuntra December Gida ADGP Kailun Adagi IG Kargi Mayam Satana Senapati the Moyasongi Feki Edium Kagayauna meeting to Amana Mungak Pakrat number Moigin and Amanum Karta permanent structure Amas Hagat Ketorambudu Kuziki high proposed or meeting to the Giloina Moy Paknum Kartanambu Hong Kong Nagre Lokong Nagre latest Narang Nahan Ti Ngolo Haidana Kuzi Kuno Uziki Tungzo Yakainaba Kungi Mini Masi Swam the Sanjalaga Uyalam Digi Pegi Tungzoigi Kunjin Jasin of Haraga Pegi Tungzoigi Kunjasina Police the complaint or Pegi area Sanjalaga Uyalent over the Aquina Massive Haraga Police station the Pora Akanda Masi Moigi Koigi Kohima the Gi Moigi officials in policing Korakana Masimatumda Sumana crossed or got the Honganon Haineraga Narang Hadoki at the mind of the dispute Masadi later when the wood construction told the Kotana Nasagi honorable member Dam Sabu Kotuga Dugum Porto Zumaki in a late Hana Pak Nunkra Tanambale Adu Soko Putogas and social media as Takasagivani, Moina Hongtogo Chatkiwaki, and the structure Gumakaring Mashadana, Kopsalakna, Udulay 3 and Hizab Neduna. I assure state key boundary, Sapsana, Nakani, Leramiba, Alamansina, the government rules Kimatung in the Leramiba map, Madu compromise, Karimudatoru, and it comes again.
Next, question number 501. Honorable Member Sri Surya Kumar Okram.
Sir, start question number 501.
A. The achievement of the plans of action taken up under the Manipur Culture Policy 2016, and B. Whether the government has constituted the Manipur Cultural Advisory Board under Clause 3.3 Manipur Culture Policy 2016. Roman 1. If so, the details thereof. Roman 2. If not, the reasons thereof.
Pakum Bibigadawa, Honorable Singh.
Sir, question number 501. A. Achievement may be seen at Annexure A. B. No government has not yet constituted the Manipur Cultural Advisory Body. Reason: since the advisory board should comprise about 30 experts and an eminent person in various fields, out of which 20 members should be elected by recognized cultural organizations, steps has been initiated by inviting application from cultural organizations for registration, recognition of cultural organization by the Directorate. However, election could not be held due to the COVID pandemic. Thank you, sir.
Sir, ngasai thambikriba 30 experts out of 20 si election tawne hai masita khoi gi notification tha re na sir masi answers the sir kumbiri aduda masi notification si karamba kanda thabi gi no masi si karamba kanda issue tobi gi no duga masi gi copy amtang phangba yagadra pibi ba yagadra aduga sir aduga khoi gi notification si matungina interested individuals sing hai tare masi kaya yamna application kaya yamna receipt tawbirage donga sai election tawgane haina honorable leader of the house us bangi masi karamba mongda secret ballot ta tawbigadra natra karamba method ta tawbigadawno na sir masi amtang thambiba yagadra honorable leader of the house. Thank you.
Election tawgudabagi niyom aduga hoji notice thakiba aduga hoji ki individual sing yawba yabra sidadi registered body khata hai the individuals yawba yabra yadabra the member in return when khangan jare see when picture.
Next start question number 502. Hangigadawa, Honorable Member Sri D. Karongtang.
Sir, start question number 502.
A. The number of ashram schools in hill districts. B. Number of teaching and non-teaching staff institution-wise. And C. Number of students enrolled in 2020-21 academic year school-wise.
Pakum Bibigadawa, Honorable Minister, Travel Affairs.
Honorable Speaker, sir, question number 502. A. 5 ashram school in the hill districts. Number of teaching staff and non-teaching staff in institution wise. Teaching staff 6, non-teaching staff 1. Tausem, teaching staff 4, non-teaching 2. Maram, teaching staff 7, non-teaching staff 2. Hingba Kulen, teaching staff 5, non-teaching staff 1. Langol Ashram, teaching staff 4, non-teaching staff 1. Altogether, teaching staff 26 and non-teaching 7. School-wise enrollment 2020-21. None 47, Tausem 46, Maram Ashram 120, Thingba Kulen 133, Langol Ashram 57, total 403.
Masigidi, makataba question later.